Question 16. Consider the triangle shown. Find the value of theta correct to the nearest degree. So first of all, let's classify the type of triangle. It's a right angle triangle. We're not going to need the sine rule or the cosine rule. Okay, so just regular right angle trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark in theta first of all, just mark it in a little bit clearer by just drawing the arc in, just to make it apparent where it is. So I can mark in also the various sides. This is the opposite side. This would be the adjacent side since it's closest to theta. This would be the hypotenuse. So I'm also going to write SOHCAHTOA here. Okay. I've got opposite, adjacent, two known sides there. It's going to be tan. So tan of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, so that's going to be 8 over 10. All right. Now, we need theta to be the subject of the formula there. And we're going to move tan to the other side by using the inverse of tan. So this is tan to the -1 using the shift key on the calculator, and then before we press the tan button. 8 over 10. And let's enter that in now. So shift tan, 8 over 10. And we get 38.659. Okay, 38.659 ... but we need the answer to the nearest degree. So that'll be 39 degrees to the nearest degree. Now part B says find the value of x correct to 1 decimal place. Now being a right angle triangle and we have two known sides, there's two ways we can do this. Either we can use trigonometry again, and we could use cos or sine or whatever, actually whichever one you like. You got all three sides. We got two sides known. Actually you've got an angle. So you could use, in fact, you could use sine or cos, but why bother? You've got two known sides, two of the shorter sides. Why don't we just use Pythagoras Theorem? It's just a lot easier. So you've sort of got a choice here. So by Pythagoras Theorem, okay, x squared is equal to 8 squared plus 10 squared. Okay. All right. So 8 squared plus 10 squared, 164. All right. And we need to take the square root of that. So x is equal to square root of 164. And that gives us 12.806. Okay. But we want it correct to 1 decimal place. So that's going to be 12.8 correct to 1 decimal place.